everybody, welcome back to a new vlog. So I am having a lovely weekend at my mom's. It's very nice and springy today. I have on my cute little new H&M dress, the really pretty collection that they brought out. So I really want to make a recipe today that I've been wanting to do for a while. When I was in New York, I ended up going to Italy and buying like some of the pistachio cream, and I want to do that recipe I've been seeing probably on TikTok, where you like open up the dates and put the pistachio cream and then melt chocolate and pistachios and then freeze it, so it's like a nice little snack. So I thought I would attempt those today as a nice little weekend recipe. Here is my gorgeous little dress. This is the new collection from H&M. I'm sure if you're online, you have seen it. It's this gorgeous like green floral print. It's super lightweight, and I think it's pretty sure it's 100% cotton. So really gorgeous for spring, summer. So pretty. So pretty. I love this dress. Okay, so this is the crunchy pistachio spread. I love pistachios, so I'm excited to make these. Yummy. Kind of matches my dress. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so you take the dates and cut the pit out and then lay them flat on the parchment paper. Kind of like this. Because then you're going to fill each one with the pistachio and chocolate and then put them in the freezer. So you want them to be nice and flat. So now, roasted, salted pistachios, just going to give them a little chop because these go on top, kind of like as the garnish. Nice little salty, sweet treat. Okay, I melted the pistachio cream and I'm just gonna fill each one up. I think it can be kind of messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now melted chocolate. I'm just gonna put it all over the top. And just on top. Okay, all done, and then you just pop them in the freezer. I'm back in the city and I just wanted to show you guys the delicious finished product of the pistachio dates. So good. It's like a perfect mix of like salty, sweet, crunchy. I will finish that later. While I'm sitting at my vanity, I just want to show you guys some gorgeous products that I got in from the brand Chantecaille. was able to get quite a few products, and they are just so gorgeous. This is the Pure Rose Water. Stunning bottle. Oh, so fragrant. They're the type of products that are so gorgeous on your vanity. And this one is the Rose Face Oil. Again, a beautiful bottle. I also have here a few of their makeup products. So this, I've actually been using it for like a week or more. It is the oil-free gel foundation, the Future Skin. And it's like an oil-free foundation. It's super hydrating, really lightweight, very lovely texture, like nothing I've ever really tried before. I got the shade Shell. It's kind of like a light, warm color. So I've been really enjoying that. I actually have it on today. It's a very rainy day here, so I don't know if you can see, not the best lighting. And then this one is an interesting product, and again, just super beautiful packaging. It is the Sheer Glow Rose Face Tint. It's like a face tint that's very luminous that you put on before your makeup, or you could wear it just on its own, and it like just smooths out your face and leaves like a really beautiful glowy rosy look. Okay, and two of my favorite products that were sent are these beautiful blushes. This is the cheek shade Bliss Butterfly, and it's so pretty. You can see the little butterfly stamp on it. It's just like a really beautiful rosy glow. Actually, again, have it on right now. Super beautiful for spring and summer. I feel like this is just like my perfect blush shade, and really pretty packaging again. And then this is another gorgeous blush. It's the Cheek Gelée, the Hydrating Gel Cream Blush, and this is in the shade Happy. And it's just a really beautiful pearly corally shade. Really pretty. So super grateful to receive those products. I know they're on a bit of a higher price range, but I'm super excited to use them in the upcoming spring summer season.